class of the day just ended and I got 2 more Christmas gifts, so I'm officially done with my Christmas gifts for this year. I can't really like show you me wrapping any because everybody who I got a gift for watches my videos except for maybe 1 or 2, but I don't really want to risk it. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat breakfast now because I am hungry and it's 10 o'clock right now, so. So as you saw, I just made breakfast. I discovered that I have to go to Safeway today because I need to get extra firm tofu and I need to get cucumbers and carrots so that I can make spring rolls and miso soup later. I just played Roblox for like an hour and a half. Theme Park Tycoon is like the only game on Roblox that I will play because it's so fun. But now I'm gonna change my pants and go to Safeway. So I got me mommy to come with me, but we're going to TJ Maxx too because why would we only do what we were supposed to do? When TJ Maxx is an option, you go there. She got a bunch of stuff. We have a problem. Why? For Le French Press.
¿Dónde está el sausage for the spaghetti?
Hello, Charlie. Now I'm going to Safeway again.
Like, would our neighbors like understand you? And I was like, I think so. Then my brother's like, I don't know. She kind of sounds really preppy and like condescending. And I was like, how am I condescending? Tell me, how am I condescending? Do you think I sound condescending?
No.
Got princesses on my blanket. Yeah.
Belle.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I'm learning how to shift realities because I'm tired of this one. I'm gonna go live out my YA fantasy dreams in Hogwarts. So
And I'm writing about the fucking Panama Canal.
Clearly we're on different vibrations right now. Different frequencies.
At least my frequencies don't receive COVID.
I don't get it. I'm gonna go hang out with wizards now, so bye. Why are we going so fast? I'm literally so tired and I have to go home and take a shower, take a shower, take a shower. I look good right now. Okay, bye.